To sell crypto using the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the in-app instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen and select the crypto you want to sell from the list of available assets. Next, click on the Sell button and enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or a percentage of your total holdings. The app will then display the current market price and the estimated proceeds from the sale. Before confirming the sale, review the transaction details carefully, including the amount of crypto being sold, the selling price, and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the sale and the app will process the transaction. The proceeds from the sale will be credited to your Crypto.com account in the form of the selected fiat currency. You can then withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to purchase other cryptocurrencies. It is essential to note that selling crypto can result in tax implications. So it is crucial to understand your tax obligations before making a sale. Additionally, be aware of the market volatility, and selling at a loss may result in financial losses. To minimize risks, set a target price for your crypto and use the stop-loss feature to automatically sell your assets. If the market price falls below a certain level, it is also essential to keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. In conclusion, selling crypto using the Crypto.com app is a straightforward process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential risks and tax implications, you can effectively manage your crypto portfolio and make informed investment decisions.